What I like about my job is what I call that we're working on mission impossible projects. We're redefining how our industry works, and instead of adapting to the change, we are making that change.
Every day, I learn new things, I build new things, I spend a lot of time just thinking and tinkering and playing around, hoping that one of the things that I do is going to be something big and impactful. I work on problems that if you get them right, you really make a big difference in the whole world.
In research, we want to think outside of the box when it comes to what solutions might be possible. There's always something going on that is new and interesting and innovative, and it's a great environment to continue to grow and learn.
I love that I get to interact with not only my incredible coworkers, but also we have a very rotating, interesting group of residents who are coming into our technology center spaces all the time. They challenge me to think in new ways. I'd like to think that I challenge them to think in new ways.
Man, I love my job. We're always playing with the latest, greatest technology. We're always considering if the world is really the way we think. It's just really exciting because we're constantly just questioning and learning new things about how the world actually works and how it can be different.
One of the things that I love most about Autodesk is we're creatives. Whether you're on the hard data science team, you're creatively thinking about how we can leverage data, or you're on the marketing and communication side. Our company just really has a creative culture and brings together the different disciplines in a really magical way for ourselves and for our customers.
I love working at Autodesk because it's kind of the confluence of all these really interesting areas of thought and research. My team is amazing. The people I work with at Autodesk are fantastic. It's a really incredible company.
I think there's a lot of benefit with being with a company like Autodesk. You know, we get to interface with academia and the best institutions around the world. But yeah, it's also just the people. I love Autodeskers, it's my family. It's just the place I want to finish my career if I'm lucky enough to do so.